in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable microphone access permissions on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher menu and you want to search for settings. Best result, you can go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select privacy and security. And then on the right side, underneath privacy and security, select privacy controls. And where it says microphone access, just toggle this to the off position to turn it off. Conversely, you can also select it and just turn it on or off for specific applications and services. You may not have to turn it off entirely, unless of course that is your preference, which you can do very easily in here as well. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.